Hey folks, welcome to Reloved Guitars. Sam here in the new workshop, and as you might be able to see, I'm kind of putting things away and making things. So I swivel around. Here we have the old whiteboard, new spot. I'm going to try and do most of the filming with this here Huawei camera because it's a better quality sound and a better quality picture. So this, there goes the jet wash again. Nearly shoots off all the cuts the power off. So you can see over in that corner we've got some new things up and some things up, and then putting all the things up and things up. I haven't figured out what to put in that cupboard yet. At the moment, on top of it's going to go the Triton bobbin sandery thing hooked up to the vacuum cleaner when the time is right. But there's some storage room under there, which is cool. Of course, I can't see what's going on here. Well, maybe I can if I look around. Oh yeah, look, there's the doorway, and there's my table of stuff. Hang on, this has dropped off. Oh, okay. This is now loosely attached. I think I need some, I don't know what the word is. I think the word is probably resin. Fix that up. Anyway, there's the outside world. Look, I'm up here in the daytime for a change. I'm going to keep this really short because I want to actually send this, post this tomorrow for once. And there's some, what's the word, soldering supplies going up there. So the soldering bench is kind of that one down there, and I'm going to have a seat on it. Well, there's a stool. I'm going to put a seat up to it. So, and this is going to be pillar drill and bandsaw up here. So it's kind of all in the way of everything at the moment. But as you can maybe possibly see, it's workable. I don't know how tight I have to do this thing. I have to stop it moving. It's pretty good. You can see it's sort of sinking eventually. Who knows, it might go down to the floor. And somewhere in there, possibly I fit. I just have to get used to trying to position myself right in the way of the camera because I can't see anything. Oh, Stuart said he was going to maybe lend me a camera with a flippy thing, so we might have an experiment to see what's different. Anyway, it is the something of November. Just checking in. As you can see, things are kind of going along. Of course, I can take this out of here, which is nice. And I'll just take you a quick walk around. If I can do it without making the worst noise in the world. Oh heck, hang on. Maybe. Okay, so look, there's my fabulous magnetic tool shelf. Obviously, you can see, maybe you can see that the bench is really long, so every guitar on there, will only go as far as there and there. So the point being is that no tools are anywhere near the guitar on the bench, so that if anything kind of slips off here, the heavy things could just slip down onto the edge there, but that's about it. So it's really handy having all these magnets, and I've got more. I'm going to get more. So chisely tools, the old WC, which haven't really made much nicer yet. And in here was the kind of guitar hanging room, parts hanging room, and all of this is going to be parts on here mostly. That is parts already. This is kind of this bag here, and all this stuff here. And around the corner are Andrew's Hendrixy Strats, which I've got to start making very soon. But they're there after having sprayed in here. Really, I need a division or a kind of curtain to thingy this off. I'm going to look at, well, I've got a shower curtain, but I want something to just stop the dust from the spray. Right now, I think while I'm here, I'll take you a quick run through because you may not have seen this, and we can, as long as I'm under 5 minutes, I can upload this. If we zip through here, typical. I haven't got the key. If we zip through there, I'm not going to edit this, it's too much. Zip through here, we will see what's going to be the spray room in the future. Come on, fella, get in there. Something just dropped off there. What was that? A screw. Okay. So we come in here and we have another room. This is kind of what the other room looked like at the beginning. That goes through to a drop, and that's the warehouse out the back. But you can see here, filthy, but nonetheless, complete room open for use as a spray room. So pretty grim at the moment. Up here, got a sort of ply roof, not ply, chip or bendy board, you know, that wood chipboard roof anyway. That'll have to stay. This can go. There are my templates. Spray machine over there, and out through here. Ooh, the workshop in the dark. Don't know if you can see through here. Let's have a poke. Ooh, hey, down there, folks. Oh yeah. Dun, dun, dun. Anyway, that's about it. So let's just get out of here. Skedaddle. Bits of wood. Should have said not just I am here, but I am now. Okay, so there we have it. That's a quick sort of fly around. I was going to make a noise now. So that's a big fly around. Here I am selfieing. So thanks for dropping in for a quick update. And I'm going to do a bit of tidying up now, and I shall see you later.